Kathy Clement with Kathy by Design. I'm so glad you could join me here today. I have another really exciting release with the Button Farm Club. This time we're taking it off the page for a masculine project that is perfect for Father's Day. This Kaisercraft stacking drawer system is huge. It stands 16 inches tall. And then I'm going to try to get this in the camera. I've created a little easel top for photo display. You can just put a 3x3 photo of your family here. Little Bulldog Clip, some really fun gears, really cute antique bronze knobs on each of these drawers that pull out so that Dad can store his keys, his stamps, his guitar picks, his paper clips, and oh, what do we have here? Look at this. This is the cutest thing ever. We're going to create this darling little mini album that fits right inside the drawer. Now, this unit measures, I'll just go quickly over it. It measures a little over 4 inches by 16 inches tall. So each drawer is 3.5 by 3 3/4 by 3.5. So I designed this little mini album using the 8x8 Mister Collection from Authentique, and this little guy is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4 with a 1 5/8 inch spine. On the spine we've got this adorable little padlock. I just love this. Little burlap bow, wrapped the spine with some burlap string, layered some of these papers, some more of these antique gears, and then this little belly band pulls off, and here is our album, a true classic. And on the inside we'll just do a quick flip through. Even though this is tiny, it is still loaded with fun. I've added all my usual little elements. You've got a little pull-out pocket here in each page unit where you can put a small photo, and then these little photo tabs to pull those out, which is so cute. Lots and lots of interactive features, little things tucked inside of things, wonderful sentiments in this collection. Pull out photo mats or places for journaling. For tiny photos, this is great because Dad can even keep it on his desk at work, which is lovely. So I love the color palette. It's very vintage. The elements are just purely masculine. Lots of little fun. You can tuck little gift cards in these pockets to present to Dad if you want. Just really a fun collection. Here's a little tuck spot. Every pocket has a little pull out, and then here's the back. So super fun, super cute. These are limited editions. The last kit I did sold out so fast I couldn't believe it. So don't delay. Go to the Button Farm Club, place your order. You will get in your kit the Kaisercraft drawer assembly that comes with the 4 drawers. You will get these beautiful antique bronze knobs. You will get the Bulldog Clip. You will get the burlap string. You will get the 8x8 Mister Collection. I feel like I'm forgetting something here. Oh yeah, you'll get the gears. You'll get this lock. Pretty much everything you saw here, with the exception of the ink that you'll need. You'll even get the paint to paint, and you'll learn a really cool faux wood finishing technique in the tutorial, and of course the full printed tutorial. So I hope that you're as excited about this kit as I am. I just love taking it off the page. That's me. This is all I had left. Otherwise I would have showed you the Mister Collection, but we used it all. And you're going to learn a ton of techniques in the tutorial. So thanks for joining me. Visit the Button Farm Club. I'll put the link below. Order your Mister kit today. And now I'm going to get my craft on. Bye.